Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to fix iPhone sending a green message instead of blue. So if you are experiencing this issue that whenever you guys send a message to a specific person, it sends out a green message instead of a blue one. Well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out. Now, alright, guys, so what we need to do in order for us to fix this issue is to double check if we are sending our message via iMessage. Now, for those who don't know, basically, whenever you guys try to send a message to a person and then it sends it with the green message, that only tells you that the person that you're trying to message is not using iMessage instead. They are just using the regular cell data line or the cell phone data and SIM card line to send the message. And if you guys send the message and it has this blue, a tint to it, basically, what that is gonna do is it's gonna basically the mode that you were trying to use is via iMessage. So those are the two differences between green and blue messages that you send via your messages app on your iPhone. And if you want to go ahead and double check if you're trying to send that message via iMessage or directly via text message using your SIM card, you need to go ahead and just tap on this new inbox button. Type in the number if you want to go ahead and send it via the SIM card, or just go ahead and type in the iCloud email that the person use on their iMessage so that you could contact and talk through the iMessage line. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.